સિલ્વર રોક ગ્રુપ ઓફ ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ્સ દ્વારા લેવાયેલી ગુજસેટની મોક એક્ઝામના બાયોલોજી વિષયના પેપર સોલ્યુશનની આજે આપણે વાત કરીએ છીએ. હું ડૉક્ટર સુશીલ નાઈક મણિનગરની રેણુકા ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ ઓફ નીટમાંથી આ સોલ્યુશન અમે આપના સુધી પહોંચાડીએ છીએ. બાયોલોજી વિષયનું આ સોલ્યુશન આપના સુધી bookmytopic.com વેબસાઇટ દ્વારા આપના સુધી પહોંચાડવામાં આવી રહ્યું છે. સો સિલ્વર રોક ઇન્સ્ટિટ્યૂટ અને બુક માય ટોપિક તરફથી હું આપ સૌનું અહીંયા સ્વાગત કરું છું. આજે આપણે અહીંયા ગુજસેટ વિષયના બાયોલોજી વિષયના બધા જ પ્રશ્નોની સોલ્યુશનની ચર્ચા કરીએ છીએ, જે આપને આવનારી ગુજસેટની પરીક્ષામાં પણ મદદરૂપ થશે એવી અમને આશા છે. તમને શુભેચ્છા છે. Question 1. Fission is observed in. Your options are only protist, only monerans, protist and monerans, and none of the above. Students, this question is from semester 4. On the page number 24, it is clearly mentioned that in the topic asexual reproduction in animals, that is fission, is a method observed in protist and monerans. So your answer is C. Second question, the temperature of scrotal sac dash lower than the normal body temperature. On the page number 65 of semester 4, this is clearly mentioned that the temperature of scrotal sac is almost 3 degrees Celsius lower than the normal body temperature, and that's why B is the answer. As we know, in the scrotal sac, the spermatogenesis is carried out. We know very well spermatogenesis occur in the testis. Spermatogenesis is not possible at the 37 degrees Celsius temperature, and that's why testes descend out from the abdominal cavity and locate in the scrotal sac, where temperature is less than 37 degrees Celsius, where spermatogenesis is possible. Question 3. A concentration gradient must already be present for molecules to diffuse in. Your options are osmosis, facilitate diffusion, diffusion, and imbibition. Now, on the page number 2 of the semester 3 textbook chapter 1, the concentration gradient must already be present for molecules to diffuse in facilitated diffusion. As facilitated diffusion is a kind of passive transport, the concentration gradient is always required here. Answer should not be osmosis, because osmosis deal with the movement of solvent, that is water only. Answer, diffusion is not possible, as diffusion is carried out in higher concentration toward the lower concentration or higher to lower region randomly, where concentration gradient is not required. Imbibition is a kind of absorption of water from the colloidal system, and so the concentration gradient must be already present in the case of facilitated diffusion only. Question 4. Pollen grains are generally spherical, measuring about dash in diameter. On the page number 39 of semester 4 textbook, it is clearly mentioned that pollen grain are generally spherical, measuring 25 to 50 micrometers in diameter, and that's why answer is C. Question 5. Identify A, B, C and D. We can observe that in the first column, it should be primary producer, which are consumed by primary consumer, and primary consumers are consumed by secondary consumers. So in the first column, B is primary producer and A is secondary consumer. Now in the second column, first trophic level C is given, and first trophic level is always inhabited by the plants, where it is plants is the answer. And the fourth column, the fourth trophic level top carnivores is asked, and the examples must be man and the lion. From the given option, it is only possible answer for the D, that is man and lion, and so overall answer is D over here. Question 6. It is third generation IUDs. Now on the page number 79 of semester 4, it is clearly mentioned that the third generation IUDs release hormones which have a direct local effect on the uterine lining, and that's why C is the answer. Question 7. Which of the following is mismatched? Here, sepals and calyx is given. We know very well sepal is the unit and calyx is the outermost floral wall. Option B is not the answer, as corolla is given here and petal is the unit of the corolla. So, it is right, it is not mismatched. Option C, stamen and endoecium is given. We know very well stamen is a unit of endoecium, as endoecium is a male reproductive structure and stamen is its part or unit. So, it is again not mismatched. But look at the option D, where carpels and microsporophylls is given. Carpel is a unit of gynoecium. It is a female reproductive part which is also called as an pistil, whereas microsporophyll is a part of the gymnospermic plant, where microspore or the pollen grains are formed, and pollen grain or microspore are the units of male reproductive system. So, in the option D, carpel is given, which is part of female reproductive system, and microsporophyll, it is a part of male reproductive system, and that's why it is mismatched. Question 8. Identify ABC from the given figure. Students, on the page number 59 of the semester 4, it is clearly mentioned. We can observe this figure is given where A is the epicotyle, which is the region above the withered cotyledons and the primary leaves. B is the withered cotyledon, as we can easily observe that it is a diagram of dicot plant. It is epigeal kind of germination where cotyledon emerge out from the ground. In the option C, it is hypocotyle, the axis below the withered cotyledon and up to the primary root, and that's why it is the hypocotyle C. So, answer is the B over here. Question 9. Sperm is known as dash before it enter in the spermiogenesis process. If we look on the page number 69 of semester 4, it is mentioned that the spermatids cannot act directly as the gametes, so they have to pass through spermiogenesis. So, we can say A must be the answer, and that is spermatid according to textbook statement on the page number 69. Question 10. Match the column 1, 2 and 3. Students, in the column 1, the hormones are given. In the column 2, the effect of the hormones, and in the column C, the disease condition is given. If we look at the somatotropic hormone, that is the kind of growth hormone GH, and that's why it controls growth. And if in the deficiency of the somatotropic hormone is there, it induces dwarfism. So, from the option B, 1, 3 and 4 should be there. In the B, thyroxine hormone is given, which maintain the basal metabolic rate or BMR, and in the absence of this, the myxedema can occur. So, in the option B, B, 4 and 3 should be there. In the C, mineralocorticoid is given. Mineralocorticoids generally balance the water and sodium ion. Mineralocorticoids is itself is kind of aldosterone, and in the absence of this hormone, Addison disease may occur. So, C, 2 and 1. And vasopressin is a kind of ADH which concerns the reabsorption of water, and in the absence of this, diabetes insipidus may occur. So, answer should be B from the given. Students, we will upload the explanation of other 11 to 40 questions later on. So, keep in touch and log in on the book My Topic for the another videos and explanations for the GUJ-CET examination. All the best. Thank you.